Colors. What's the right way of using colors? Do you know you can improve your art by using colors right? Right colors grab our attention easily and it's just pleasing to look at. There's no secret that colors are the best foundation of drawing and art. Using colors, you can tell the viewers about the mood of your art, like dark color means sadness, bright color means happiness and cheerfulness. I think when we are beginner, we often ignore color part. I think we just pick any color we got our eyes on. So first of all, you need to learn about color and color theory. Today I'll teach you color theory using different examples. Let's get started. So first of all, let's talk about color saturation. Colors of this area are known as saturated colors. These all are the example of saturated colors, and this area is known as unsaturated colors. The more gray the color gets, the more desaturated it becomes. So now you know some form of colors, desaturated and saturation. Let's talk about how you can pair the colors to make your art look good. Look at this color combination. Doesn't it look so pleasing and appealing to look at? Yeah, this is known as complementary or opposite colors. The color opposite to each other are complementary to each other. This is also known as combination of cool and warm tones. The right side is warm and the left side is cool tones, and they look good together, just complementary to each other. And we also have this color combination where we choose three colors which are equally away from each other. Here they are three colors away from each other. And then this two complementary colors rule, where we choose color opposite to each other just like the first one, but this time we choose four and the two colors are one color away from each other. You can see here. And let's discuss some examples so that you know how these colors look together. So let's get started. This will give you a good idea. See here this beautiful drawing. It looks so good and pleasing to look at. Let's color pick the colors there. One, we got this blue color which is a cool color, and then we got this green color which is warm color. See, it's a complementary color to each other, warm and green combination. You can see these. I again got a warm color. This just looks so good. You can see these are following the rules I told you. Like, yeah, of course there is some changes you can do according to yourself, but all over it's following the rule I told you about. Blue color and cool color and warm color together look really good, but you have to make sure you use one of the color less. Like here you can see the warm colors are more and the cool colors are less. This give your drawing a more harmonious and pleasing look. Unlike if you use these all the colors like 50-50, it will not look that good. It will give your drawing I don't know, very unprofessional look. So you have to color balance everything. Like here also you can see the warms are less and the cool are more, but still following the rule I told you. So these were the some examples. As you can see how pleasing these drawings are to look at. Colors are really important to learn about. Color theory is really important. Like you can see all these professional artists use these color theories, the color combinations I told you about, the warm and cool color combination. So this was about the colors I told you about. I showed you some examples, and yeah, but there is more thing to learn about, and of course I cannot cover all that in this video, but there are still few things I wanna talk about, and yeah, I'll be talking that later in this video. But I hope you learned that and you have to experiment some things yourself. So let's talk about value. In unsaturated colors, the colors were going more into gray, but in value, the color go more into white. They transform more into white. It's like how much, as you can see here, the value of red color is decreasing. Like in first, it's the value of red is a lot it's more dark. Like here the value of red is it's a lot darker, and as it's going lower it's getting lighter, the value of red is decreasing. So here you can see color really express emotions. By using colors you can express type of emotions. You can, like if it's pink, you'll get like very romantic, softness, nature, secure, like stuff like that, pretty look, in love. In purple it's royalty, green freshness, growth, and yellow of course, happiness, sunshine. Like here it's dark, and in previous one it was pink, and here it's just sunny, it looks happy. And yeah, like by using colors you can show different emotions, and you should totally use that, it's interesting. Like I learned color theory, and I learned many things, and I used that in my one of the latest drawing, which is this one. And I'll tell you more about this in more later video, in next video. I really learned a lot, and I want to share all those things with you guys so that you can learn and experiment. And yeah, just keep on practicing. And this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.